Hi there guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks very much for joining us again today. Got a very short video tutorial for you today that will show you how to make a free logo. The browser-based software that we're going to use to do that is called Canva. If you haven't heard of Canva before, it's a template-based system which is very suitable for beginners and people who don't do graphic design as well as advanced users. And if you want to give that a go, there's a link in the description to this video that will take you straight to Canva where you can log in and try out a free version of it. You can do everything with that free version. The pro version just gives you access to a wide range of templates basically. So once you log in, you'll get to this page. If you search for the word logo, that'll take you then to a library, a very large library of logos. And the idea is that you find a template within this library that you like, that you want to modify and evolve into your logo. So something that either looks the way that you want yours to be. You can use these categories on the left hand side as well as these suggestions at the top here to narrow down your search. So if you go for a cafe logo, you'll see that we've got just the things which fall into that category, 3,500 of them almost. So have a look, spend some time, look around and find a logo which is suitable for you. Once you've found one, then you can hit this customize this template button here once you've selected it, and that'll open the Canva editor where you'll be able to change the text, change the image, change all the colors, add any new images, modify it in any way you need. So text, for example, when you select it, this toolbar appears above, and that's where the tools for that particular object will appear. So if you've got like a text that's in an archway like this, just double click it. You can type whatever you need to there and then hit the enter button. Just click away from it, don't hit enter, and then just click away like that. And then you can see that that puts the text in the arch shape that was previously there. If you want to get rid of something, for example, you can just hit it and select the trash icon there, and that will get rid of it from the image. And you can see as well that when you select the background, for example, you can change the background color by hitting that little color at the top there. So you can change that quite significantly. These tabs here on the left hand side then will give you access to their elements library, which is a library full of GIFs and still images mostly, which you can just select and click and drag onto your image like that. Obviously you can resize everything and modify it, and once you bring those images in, you can add your own images where you can upload from your local hard drive or add custom text as well. Once you're happy with your logo and you've you're kind of ready to save it, hit share in the top right hand corner and then hit download right there, and that will then give you the ability to download that file as a digital image, and that'll appear on whatever device you're using. So that concludes the very short tutorial. If you enjoyed that, give us a like and subscribe to the channel. Like I said, there's a free version of Canva down in the link in the description of this video. And if you've got any suggestions for future videos or any comments or anything like that, leave them down below. Thank you very much.